What's up, my family and friends? I am so happy that you're able to join me. This is your Jamaican girl, Norleen. What's up, my new subscribers? Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for joining. So, guys, from the title, you can see that I am doing honey barbecue ribs. So, my whimsical family, me done clean, wash, and allow the ribs to marinate. And you can always click here to see how I do that. I then sear it in coconut oil, remove it from the pot, and then place it on a baking pan. Now, guys, the same frying pot is what I will add a cup of water, 2 tablespoons of mustard, half a cup of honey, some garlic, guys, slices of red and yellow onions. I'm just gonna allow this to come to a boil, and then, guys, I will spoon this all over the ribs. Now, this promises to be a good video, guys, so hit that subscribe button if you have not already done so, and smash that like button, people. Let my video go viral and other persons can enjoy my recipes. You can also find me on Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok at Wim's Kitchen. All right, so after I done pour on the sauce, guys, I'm gonna cover this with foil, put my oven at 375 degrees, and bake for about 40 minutes in total. Now, guys, after 25 minutes, this is what it looks like. I am simply turning over my ribs so I get it nicely colored on both sides. The sauce has nicely cooked into the ribs, guys. It's not quite tender as how I would want it, so I will add about a 3/4 cups of water to this, cover, and finish cooking. It's time for the food for thought. I want somebody to know that nothing in life happens without a purpose. God had a plan for you when he went to the cross. So John 11:25 and 26 promises us life because Christ has already paid the price for our sins. It's time for birthday wishes and congratulations. If you are celebrating a birthday or any other milestone in your life, congratulations to you. Extra special big up to my friend Franklin. Happy birthday to you. And to all other whimsical celebrants, know that Whim sees, loves, and appreciates you. So, guys, after 40 minutes, my ribs is tender and it's time to nice up the pot. I pour off the sauce into a saucepan. Into a bowl, I am mixing 2 tablespoons of mustard and a 1/4 cup of honey. In the saucepan, guys, I'm gonna pour this all in, and then I'm gonna add to that some herbs, some spices, and vegetables. Now, whimsical family, remember to subscribe if you have not already done so. Please, of course, leave a comment in the comment section, hit that like button, turn on your post notification, share my channel with your friends, and follow me on other social media sites. So, guys, I pour in my honey mustard in the sauce. Then, guys, we're gonna drop in that some onion, some tomato, some bell pepper, guys, some hot pepper. I'm gonna add to that some allspice, grounded allspice, some ground black pepper, and a pinch of salt for taste. Next, guys, I'm gonna add to that my ribs, guys. I'm gonna smother this in sauce and boil this all of this goodness. Yeah, may I tell you, I can't wait to dig in. So, guys, I've turned off the heat and just leave this, make it done simmer, plate it, look nice, good, ready to eat, delicious. I am so happy that I was able to share this with you. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. It's once again another of my mother's favorite from my pot, my kitchen, onto my daughter's table. I'll see you next week, guys. Love, 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 love. I love you. I'll see you next week.